At our office at the Ankle and Foot Center of Central Florida, we offer two types of lasers, two types of Class 4 lasers that are FDA approved. I'd like to introduce you to our MLS robotic laser. This laser is FDA approved, Class 4 laser, and it has two wavelengths that it works out of. The 800, which works on inflammation and pain, and then the 900 series, it works on tissue repair and tissue regeneration. At the Ankle and Foot Center, we also have the second laser, which is the CureWave laser. And this laser has a deeper penetration because the wavelength is 1280, and it goes deeper into the tissue for injured and damaged tissue. So this laser works very well for wounds to help with wound healing and tissue repair and regeneration, as well as for healing after surgical incisions to allow for quicker healing and back to recovery time. So whenever you need laser treatment, non-invasive treatment, non-surgical treatment, or increased healing after your surgery, come into the Ankle and Foot Center and try out our laser.